Traveling as a group and don't know where to go in Cebu? This 3 days, 2 nights Cebu itinerary is ideal for groups of 3 to 4 packs. Comfortable city stay, shared food experiences, easy van trips to scenic spots, and flexible nights. Day 1. Check in at your Airbnb at Nivesa Garden Residences and go straight to Cebu's famous lechon just near the condo. Next, hop in a taxi or grab car and go to Taoist Temple. Entrance is free. Next, head to Cebu IT Park. Look for the shuttle terminal going to Tops. With just 200 pesos, this includes round-trip shuttle ride and entrance free. On day 2, buy fresh Cebu chorizo from Dal's store and cook it in a condo. If you're early, there's Puto Maya and Sikwate just beside Dal's store. But if you wake up late, visit Tablea Chocolate Cafe just in JY Square, walking distance away. Hire a car or van and visit Lakeview de Jardin for lunch with a view. Next, go to Buwaka ni Alejandra, a beautiful flower garden perfect for photos. Then you can visit Temple of Leia last. On your last day, you can have a quick breakfast in Dessert Factory just 600 meters away from the condo. After which, check out and you can head to Mactan for your flight. If your time allows, before your flight, you can avail of resort day passes in Mactan for a quick beach island sea air break. As for us, we stayed here in Cebu City
Customized bikinis for all ships and sizes. Oh my gosh.
because my baby insisted that we visit one last thrift store before we leave.
We'll go here first kasi ito talaga sadya ng anak ko. Pero ang dami pa na maganda dito. Grabe.